In this tutorial, I want to talk about the video editor. So I just recorded this video, and let's look at how we can edit it. So we click on these three dots here, jump into the editor. This opens up our video editor. In the center is the video. Here we have playback controls. Here we have a timeline with words, which is the transcript, which is sync to time. And here we have some controls. And so if I play this back, just to give you a sense. Hi, so this is going to be a tutorial. So it matches based on the video, based on what was said. And then let's go through these controls. So like, let's say if in here in the beginning, if I wanted to add something, for instance, that's what this is. If I click add, this panel shows me everything in my library that I can insert if I wanted to. Also, there's this transcript tab that shows us the transcript. And now, again, if I play it back, you'll see how it corresponds. Hi, so this is going to be a tutorial. So if I made a mistake here, like I didn't want to, the AI picked up Camaro, I can right-click it, edit transcript, and write, hey, that's wrong, that's Komodo. And this will update the transcript. It will update if you export, but you could also update not just one word. You can select a range. See how it selected it here? Just like that. And then if I go right-click it, edit transcript, I can change this language. Now, if it's not just the language, the transcript itself that I want to change, but the actual audio, then what I could do is, again, select some sort of a range, like let's say some sentence, like this. And then I could right-click here and select re-record audio. And this lets me record over the sentence. Which is nice if you make a mistake. You can also mute the sentence, if that's a need. Or you could completely remove it. It's up to you. But it's very, very basic controls. So if I scale down, you can see the entire file. And then as you do your edits, as you make your changes, everything is in your history. So you can always roll back. So if I don't like that change, I could restore to a previous version. So this history will build up the more things that you do here. The other thing that's really important, there's just to touch base on, there's remove pauses. You can do that. You can also do something like that, so that removes all the pauses. You can split things like this. And so move them around or just get them out of here, but that's pretty basic stuff. And again, as you can see, it builds up that history. So anyway, as you complete your edit, when you click in Publish, you have two options. For premium membership, we have a slow publish option as well. So fast publish it's a very rapid way to just stitch together your edits to produce a playable video. Slow publish now takes a longer time. But this will take all the changes that are here in this version history that I have, combine them into a single video and export. And so if you want to download these edits, you have to use the slow publish function. Okay, so that's a super basic, quick overview of our editor.